The cell has a formula where we have multiplied B and C of row number 3, this into this. When we copy it, we come here, we go to paste special and we do as formula and we say okay. What is happening? So the formula has been copied, and what is the formula? The multiplication of previous two cells. So what this cell is doing? The multiplication of these two cells, right? So when we multiply this into this, we get the same value. So this is the reason what is happening. We are just copying the formula. It's not going to keep the reference also same. Relative reference will be applied and the previous two cells will be taken, which has been taken in this case as well. So when we do paste special as formula, it's going to copy only the formula.